Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you one of the latest accessory developed by Xiaomi, that is a Mi Flex. So without further wasting more time, let's check that out. Okay guys, to get started, Xiaomi has launched the latest Mi Flex phone grip in India, expanding their accessories portfolio here. So since the phones are getting bigger and bigger, handling it in one hand is really difficult. So this kind of a product comes in really handy for all the users. The purpose of the Mi Flex phone grip is to minimize the number of phone drops, and it has got a multi-purpose design wherein you will get 3 adjustable levels of grips. So this one is made up of 3M strong adhesive sturdy TPU material, and it is also available in 3 different colors. The one which I have is like the blue one. So as I said earlier, it has got 3 levels of grip. The first one helps you to hold your phone for normal day-to-day usage like taking selfies or holding your phone while walking, and the second level of grip helps you to keep your phone horizontally in a table for watching movies or videos, anything like that. And the third level of grip allows you to keep a phone in the table, it will give you an inclined angle of around 70 degrees. The Mi Flex band prevents a lot of things. So it prevents phone from dropping in your hand if you accidentally taking selfies, or if you are going to place it somewhere. And so this one comes in handy if you're walking and reading or something like that, and it's quite handy. The material used for this Mi Flex is quite a sturdy material, and it really sticks onto any of your device. I've personally tried it in my K20, that is the one which you are seeing right now, and I've also tried it in my Poco F1. So this one comes in an elliptical design and really sticks on it to it, and the quality of this material looks really durable. This thing comes in quite handy if you are using it one-handed while walking or in your bus. If you are in a bus, it comes in really handy. You don't have to worry that it will fall off from your hand. So the other great feature is you can simply place it in on any of the surface for watching your videos. For this you can use the second level of the grip or the third level of the grip. It won't slide off, so I have tried it in glass or any slippery surface. Since the material used is rubber, it doesn't slide off from any of the surface. So the next one is you can also place the phone vertically, around 60 to 70 degree incline ratio. This comes in handy if you want to use it on a table, if you are working on the laptop and you want to use the phone side by side. You can simply place it like this, and you can send messages, you can browse to the web pages or social networking sites. It will just stay sturdy and it won't move. You can simply use it without any issues. So coming to the most important thing, the availability. So currently this thing is available in mi.com, that is the official Mi site, wherein you will get 3 varieties of color: black, blue and red. So it is currently available for a price of 149. The thing is you'll have to pay another 50 rupees for delivery, free delivery. So this will come around 200 rupees for a single piece. I would say it is definitely worth. If you are having a premium smartphone, then you can definitely go for this product. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you find the video useful, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. So until next time we meet, bye bye.